You've finally finished your medical device's design. So what's next? Turning a digital concept into a functional prototype is a crucial step, and getting this part wrong can add delays, additional costs, and major setbacks down the road. In this video, we're going to break down what medical device prototyping actually is, why working with a converter can help streamline your process, or when working with a converter might not be the right fit. Medical device prototyping is the process of testing various materials and assemblies as we iterate up to your production design to determine the most functional and cost-effective way to build your medical device. This phase is crucial because it allows you to test different materials, different form factors for your design, and different ways you can assemble and apply your part. This process ensures that the final product is going to meet regulatory and functional requirements. Using a converter for medical device prototyping offers several benefits. One of the biggest advantages is you get to see physical examples of your product in action before committing to a larger production order. Instead of relying on the theory of how an adhesive might work in your application, working with a converter will allow you to use hands-on samples to truly test out the functional requirements and performance of your part in its application. This allows for rapid prototyping and allows for engineers to iterate and make design changes as we test your part, which will save you both time and money in the long run. Converters also provide expert product consultations, helping to refine designs for manufacturability and cost efficiency by identifying factors like material selection, design tolerances, and layer complexity. Additionally, if you need production quality samples, converters can help you deliver those parts with quality and safety by manufacturing in a controlled clean room environment, which is especially important for medical applications that might require a sterile environment. Another added benefit is the ability to streamline production steps into one simple process, increasing efficiency, accuracy, and overall production speed. However, there are cases where using a converter, it might not be the best choice for medical device applications. If the device is something that's going to be an implantable device or inside the body, a converter like Strouse might not be the best partner to move forward with. The production of implantable devices requires specialty authorizations, requirements, certifications that a lot of converters might not offer. On the other hand, converters are well equipped to produce all kinds of parts using flexible materials for external medical applications. Ultimately, a converter can be a valuable partner in your medical device development, helping to bring your device from prototype to production with greater efficiency and reliability. If you'd like to talk to a converter who has over 30 years of experience in producing medical devices, we'd love to set up a discovery call to talk through your application. Or if you'd like to learn more about medical devices or the medical device manufacturing process, you can check out our Learning Center, where we have countless articles and videos going into these processes. Thanks for watching.